RP Santiago as of June 22, 2026. Based pa sa DMA kanina, ang hindi po natapos ay si Wilmar Rabus, Christine Escobar, ex Virgel, at saka si Flony sa Miling po. Bali, wala pong may day off bukas. Pending area po namin, naayos na po. Bali, may kiosk tag din pong mga ito. Store pending po ay natapos po namin lahat today. For expected delivery po, bali wala din po kami expected delivery today. Store visual, give ideas po. PQ Polar na by 3 for 100 po. Sublimation po. Bestseller po. Bale, ito pong bestseller po namin. Since tapos na po yung Father's Day, papalitan po ito bukas. Premium dry fit po. Saka bomber jacket po. With hood and walang hood. DSR printed po at 8 PM. Bali, tali lang po ang aming cash count. Itong variants po dito ay QR payment po ni customer. Ito po yun. Tapos yung 1,000 naman po ay sa CWO na payment po ni customer. Ito po yun. Issued receipt po, meron pong 5. Skip series, wala po. For expenses naman po, approved po lahat.
Do you think that we had all those things? Strangers embracing books, how fast they wonder. We would spend our first weekend. I took you to dinner, movies and a place. I'ma say it's the love for the day. We go away like before. You know wherever we are.
Anong size po? 145, sir. Frank! Sir, ito po.
Maroon yan.
Yeah.
Ano niya?
Same lang, sir.
Pero ano?
Same lang, sir. Key holder po tomorrow, si Ma'am Sai po. For meta naman po, may inquiry po kami ditong dalawa. Ito po kay Julie po ay converted na point to sale. Ito po yung item niya. Total amount po 8,250. Sa messenger naman po, mayroon po kaming 4 na inquiry. Yung isa po ay for customer approval. Yung isa naman po converted na po ito into sale. Dry fit with sabli na print po. For Viber inquiry, wala po kaming Viber inquiry today. Sa email naman po, wala po kaming email today.